Well, hello. On this Monday, we are tracking some activity in the Atlantic. We have Tropical Storm Nicholas, but also a couple disturbances further back in the Atlantic that we're monitoring here in the Caribbean, but especially off the coast of Africa, another system that could become a tropical storm. National Hurricane Center giving that a 30% chance at this point. So Nicholas is going to ride the coast of Texas into Louisiana, and the biggest concerns are going to be flooding. We're talking about a lot of rain with Nicholas, so not so much a wind issue, though severe weather is always possible in these tropical storms too. But models are forecasting up to a foot or more of rain, and we saw the devastation that flooding can cause in the Houston area with Hurricane Harvey, of course, 4 years ago. So really, we're going to be watching for that flooding rain issue. And the whole South has been way above normal for rainfall here from the summer. So the ground is already saturated for many southern areas. So that's going to be the particular concern here over the next few days. We're tracking an area of moisture ourselves to the west, a deepening area of low pressure off into the Dakotas, and a wave here moving through the atmosphere is touching off this large area of moisture that's going to bring some significant rainfall totals, it looks like, for many of us tonight. All confined to the overnight hours pretty much. So we'll see showers and thunderstorms work its way in here by about 7, 8 o'clock this evening. There's the initial line of showers and storms moving here into the eastern part of the state, and then all out of here by about probably 3, 4 a.m. tomorrow. Some of these storms could be strong too, where we'll have enough energy here in the southern part of the state. But as far as rainfall totals go, we're talking about an area of maybe a ½ inch to an inch of rain right through the metro into Wisconsin. So a nice swath of moisture here for about the southern central and southern half of Minnesota. Still could use some more moisture though in northwestern Minnesota, but it looks like they'll largely be missed by this part. So there's that slight risk of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center. Again, primarily eastern South Dakota into southern Minnesota and Wisconsin. That's where we'll have the most convective available potential energy, so the juice in the atmosphere. But there is a lot of shear that'll be across the region. So we're going to see potential for some of those organized storms here, mainly in the southern part of Minnesota. That's where we see that supercell index and other parameters come together. But again, some of those storms could produce some strong winds. That's what this particular model is showing. Some high wind gusts are possible in some of those storms. And then we're talking about another round of moisture, perhaps Thursday night, Thursday into Thursday night and Friday. So we were in a bit of a dry spell here for a little while. Now we're back into some moisture, and then that should move out here by early Saturday. And then we're talking about heat building back in here. The upper level pattern is going to be conducive for some very warm temperatures by the weekend. So near normal temperatures these next few days, or even a degree or two below. But then watch the upper level pattern become a little bit more ridge-like. That's pushing in the warmth here. Saturday into Sunday, we're talking about 80s. Some of the models throw out a couple of 90-degree readings, which for that point, the second half of September is getting to be pretty warm. So here's Saturday, if we can clear out early enough, near 80, with the best chance into western Minnesota. And then by next Sunday, look at these high temperatures soar into the upper 80s, maybe even near 90s. So this is the European model, but even the Canadian and American models also have 90 degrees within the region of Minnesota, if not into Minnesota. So it is going to get quite warm by the weekend. So enjoy these more comfortable temperatures. 72 tomorrow after we clear out in the morning, after that overnight rain tonight. Lots of sunshine on Wednesday. Warm Thursday, but then we'll see that chance of showers and storms move back into the picture. And we'll have some scattered activity Friday, clearing out early Saturday. And then as we head into Sunday again, that's when things could be heating up well into the 80s. We'll keep our eye on that. But yeah, very warm, definitely for that second half of September.